Are you looking for the best electric mobility scooters? In this video we will look at some of the best electric mobility scooters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Drive Medical Spitfire Scooter. Let's kick this off with the Drive Medical Spitfire, which is great for daily use and travel. This is a 4-wheel medical electric scooter that offers smooth rides on a rough, rugged, or rocky terrain. Have to go shopping for groceries? No worries. As lightweight as it is, this model can carry up to 300 pounds. This is a truly awesome electric mobility scooter for handicapped or disabled individuals, and it makes everyday life a lot easier. Moreover, you will find this selection to offer extreme comfort. It has a padded and adjustable swivel seat, armrests, and a backrest. Driving is made effortless with the delta-shaped steering handling and has a roomy floor-to-seat height of 17-19 inches. We really enjoy the lightness of this model. It is easy to disassemble, load into a trunk, or store away. Don't let the lightweight mislead you. This scooter still provides stability on rough outdoor terrains. Need to get into a van? You might need a ramp for vans. At number 2, Travel Pro Premium Mobility Scooter. This 3-wheel mobility scooter is not only useful but stylish as well. It has an attractive padded faux leather seat that adjusts to your height. The padded armrests provide extra comfort and flip up to give you an easy transition in and out of the scooter. Whether you need it to get around the house, go shopping, or travel, this is a great model for you. Moreover, the Travel Pro Premium offers high-range travel features including a top speed of 4 miles per hour with a 6.3-mile drive range per charge. It also includes a cup holder, saddlebag, and front basket where you can store away personal items. You will quickly notice that this electric mobility scooter for disabled and elderly users is very easy to transport without sacrificing quality or maneuverability. This 3-wheel option has everything you need and more. At number 3, Pride Mobility S74 Mobility Scooter. Let's jump right into the features of the Pride Mobility Go-Go Sports Travel Scooter. This is definitely a heavy-duty option that delivers great performance and quick disassembly for on-the-go individuals. It has a weight capacity of 325 pounds, a maximum speed of 4 miles per hour, and includes 2 sets of interchangeable colored panels, blue and red. There is a front LED light to increase safety during dark hours and a deck basket for extra storage. The convenient charger allows the user to charge their battery pack on board or off with the charger port in the tiller. What caught our attention about this model was not necessarily its sleek look or quick disassembly, but the convenient dual voltage charger that gives users the ability to charge their battery on board or off board. At number 4, Buzzaround X Mobility Scooter. The Buzzaround is a heavy-duty 4-wheel long-range travel scooter with a comfortable 18-inch seat. It's designed with a comfortable spring suspension for a smooth ride, and while this full-size model is a beast, it's still portable and easy to disassemble. Not to mention it comes with a 1-year hassle-free in-home service plan. Looking for home accessibility? If this wasn't enough, the Extreme comes with an LED headlight and tail light. It holds up to 330 pounds, and runs 18 miles per charge. Moreover, you will receive interchangeable color panels when you want to change up the look a little bit. A great deal for your money. You can't go wrong with the Buzzaround X Extreme. We love the large size of this model, yet it still manages to be easy to use, portable, and easily taken apart. It has a large travel distance with a maximum capacity of 330 pounds. Not only does it look great, it runs even better. At number 5, Drive Medical Power Scooter. Power, stability and solid footing even in the outdoors mark the performance highlights of the Drive Medical Scout Mobility Scooter. With a padded swivel seat, and comfy armrests, anyone can easily operate this power scooter. The adjustable seat raises or lowers between 17-19 inches, for a custom fit. The delta-shaped steering handle makes maneuverability a snap, even for those with limited dexterity. Beefy front and rear 8-inch, non-marking, anti-tip, flat free wheels make for a smooth ride, up to 4.25 miles per hour. Because it's easy to assemble and disassemble, this scooter is great for everyday use, but also breaks down fast, making it easy to pack for travel as well. With interchangeable color panels, this scooter can be customized with either red or blue trim. The trim package also helps protect it from dings and scrapes. It operates on a rechargeable 24-volt quick connect battery pack, so plug-in charging is simple and fast.